Lendarvic Fashion, and for those who are new here, I'm Main Spirit Vasquez, a teacher of dressmaking and tailoring. Now let's go back to the basics, and I want to teach you on how to add an allowance for the front button blouse. And please consider our previous tutorial, which is on how to draft the front and back bodice pattern, because we are going to use that with our lesson today. Now what we are going to do is to separate the front bodice from the pattern which we have made before, and we are going to make or to create another pattern for the blouse. Before going to the demonstration, let me show you first the things needed here. We have the ruler, a French curve, tracing wheel, pens. We have 3 pair of scissors for paper, and then the hip curve. And we have the previous pattern, the front and back bodice, which we are going to use. That's why I told you before not to throw it, okay? Because every tutorial will be needing this, especially for the basics. And we have other pattern paper underneath. This is what we are going to use now, this one, okay? Okay, let's proceed. Number 1 to do is to trace the front marks, trace everything with the use of tracing wheel. You have to trace this. You have to separate the front bodice for this time. Okay. We are going to follow the marks for the front, because this is what we are going to do now. And even the dart. I'm going to show you on how to add space or the allowance for the buttonholes and for the buttons. And here on this part, we're going to take this one. Okay. Then here, let's see here, we're going to follow this. Then this one for the front. Here, and this line here. Okay. After tracing all of those, we're going to remove this pattern paper on top and mark which you have transferred. This is the basic line. And I need this black one. Your basic pattern is so important, that's why you have to keep it. And here, this one, use this too. then here. This part is the hemline. Okay. See? Last one is the dart. There. Next one. Okay. Now, this is already our pattern. This is what we traced from the basic front and back bodice before. What we are going to do is to add an allowance for the buttonholes and for the buttons in front. So this is what you are going to do. Measure 3/4 inch from this parallel line away or outward. You have to measure 3/4 inch from this line. Okay, measure 3/4 inch outward. Then here you have to measure it here too, and then get your L square or your meter stick or a ruler. Mark it here. This is it. Now we are going to cut everything. We have to cut all this paper outside the lines. Okay. Make this mark longer. There. Cut this away. Cut along the lines. Next is on the side. Okay, this is it. Cut the hem. This part is the hemline. This is the final hemline, but this one is the allowance for the hem. This is what you are going to fold it inward. There, like that. We are going to make a blouse. Okay, so let's have a recap. This is the allowance which we have made for the buttonholes and buttons. We just add 3/4 inch from the basic line here, the parallel line at the center fold of your basic pattern. Okay, it's 3/4 inch here. So this will serve as your allowance for the buttonholes and buttons. Okay. I encourage everyone to keep practicing these lessons, and remember that nobody knows these things instantly. So please like and share, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you'll get notified when I upload my next video. Thank you for watching and keep learning.